In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Adobe Photoshop to the latest version using the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Keeping Photoshop updated is extremely important because updates include new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches that help your software run smoothly and efficiently. If you've ever wondered whether you're using the newest version or you're not sure how to update it properly, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Let's get started. The recommended way to update Photoshop is through the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. This is the official method from Adobe, and it ensures your update installs correctly without affecting your files or settings. First, go ahead and open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. If you're on Windows, you can search for Creative Cloud in the Start menu. If you're using a Mac, open Spotlight and type in Creative Cloud to launch it. Once the Creative Cloud app opens, make sure you're signed in with the Adobe account that has your Photoshop subscription. After signing in, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Apps tab. This section shows all the Adobe applications available on your account, including the ones currently installed on your computer. Under the Installed Apps section, scroll until you find Adobe Photoshop. Next to Photoshop, you'll see one of two things. If your software is already up to date, it will say Open, but if a newer version is available, you'll see an Update button instead. If you see the Update button, click on it. As soon as you click Update, Creative Cloud will begin downloading the latest version of Photoshop. The time this takes will depend on your internet speed and your computer's performance. You'll see a progress bar showing the download and installation status. During this time, it's a good idea to close Photoshop if it's currently open to avoid any installation conflicts. While the update is installing, avoid shutting down your computer or disconnecting from the internet. Let the process complete fully. Once the update finishes, Creative Cloud will automatically finalize the installation for you. After the installation is complete, you can click Open directly from the Creative Cloud app, or you can launch Photoshop the way you normally do. Once Photoshop opens, you'll officially be running the latest version. If you want to double-check, click on Help in the top menu and then select About Photoshop. A window will appear showing the exact version number you're using. That's it. Updating Photoshop through the Creative Cloud desktop app is quick, simple, and the safest way to ensure you're always working with the newest features and improvements. Regular updates help prevent crashes, improve compatibility with plugins, and give you access to Adobe's latest tools and AI-powered enhancements. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.